The idea behind this video is kind of like for people that are trying to decide whether they want to manage their own home or whether they want a professional property management company to manage it for them. Let's get into what happened here. We've been managing this property for roughly 6 years, and the property had a slab leak. Same tenants have been living here the whole time, and the entire first floor of the property was flooded. It's a huge property sitting on a bluff in La Jolla. We had to negotiate with the adjuster and the insurance company to come out here, take a look at it. Initially, they just wanted to pay for replacing the bamboo floors on the first floor, but our argument with that was that we would lose cohesiveness with the upstairs of the home, and the property value would go down if you have two different types of flooring, downstairs and upstairs. So we were able to negotiate that with them. We were able to negotiate plumbing repairs with them, which insurance companies generally don't pay for the plumbing repairs. All said, the work is going to come out to over $200,000. Most homeowners, when an insurance company gives them an estimate, they take that estimate and they go with it. There's a lot of negotiating that needs to happen there. We were almost able to get an extra $100,000 from the insurance company. So what we're going to do is we're going to walk you through the property. Harland Property Services, which is the maintenance arm or sister company of our Harland Property Management. And Melody, our project manager, is going to walk you through it, show you what happened, show you what we're working on right now.
Hi, I'm Melody Ortiz. I am the senior construction project manager on this 6,600 square foot, 6-bedroom, 5-bathroom home. So this is the main room that we found the source of the water leak. As upon investigation, it was coming up and through this foundation. It was located, we cut off all of the water supply to the foundation and began the remediation dry out process. Once we identified the leak in this room, we were quick to eliminate any future risk by running all the plumbing through the walls and the ceilings. In the process of all of this, we went ahead and removed the drywall, ensured there was proper dry out, did moisture testing, all in the process of packing out current tenants to make sure their belongings and they were safe. We were able to not only get the flooring on the first floor that was affected by the water leak, but also the stairs and the upstairs, the more cohesive, upgraded look. On these large La Jolla homes, sometimes you run into a situation where we have a residential elevator. The owner elected to have that removed. So we did go ahead and remove that elevator, and as you can see, we're restoring the area to be safe and within code. In the process of making sure all areas were attended to as far as water intrusion goes, we noticed that there was in fact some water drainage issues in this area. So to further improve this project, we went ahead and trenched this area about 3 feet down. We put in weatherproofing material and some stainless steel on top of that, and then painted the area to match the existing siding of the house. To pull some water away from the house, we added an extensive drain system that's alongside of the house as well as down here. It connects to the existing drain system, which drops it down the canyon. At the end of the day, our homeowners and their properties are our top priority. And it is my job as a senior construction manager at Harland Property Services to ensure solution-driven, timely results.
All right, there you go. So you've seen the scope of this project and how big it is. So, you know, the things that we had to do, or you would have to do as a homeowner, again, meet with the adjuster, negotiate with the insurance company, negotiate with the tenants, trying to get them to move out, especially when they weren't being cooperative. Then negotiate with their insurance company to do the pack out of all of their belongings, and then hire the right contractors to do the dry out, to do the plumbing repairs. We did a full slab elimination. There's zero chance there will ever be a slab leak here again. And then we have to do all the wood restoration. There was an elevator in the home that we had to remove. So what do? Do you hire a property manager or do you do it yourself? That's really a call for you to make, but you have to determine what is the value of your time. Are you willing to spend hours on end trying to figure out how to do this the first time that you're ever doing it? Or do you want to go with Harland Property Management, where we deal with these kinds of situations all the time? So that's up to you to make the decision, but we just wanted to show you this project. Thank you.